Let us make an HTML document with an application called VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So I've named the project, named the HTML document as computerproject.html. Now we're going to add the HTML tag first. Now it's easy on this because all I have to do is press HTML and I have to press enter, and you have an on tag and an off tag. So I press enter in between both of them, and then I start writing my document. So my entire web page should be between the two HTML tags. Now we start with head. So I type in head, and in this I just have to press enter, and there is an on and off tag for head. Press enter in between so that there is a space to write. Now we start with the title. Now inside the head, whatever is there is for the web server and for the search engines. We will not be able to see it, but we cannot have a document without a head. So in the head, we'll put a title. So I'm going to type title in this, and automatically the on and off tags will appear. Again, I press enter, I enter the title, Computer Science Project. Okay, so that's your title, and you have your head. Now, after head, I'm going to move on to the body. So I enter body. When I press enter, an on and off tag appear, and in the body, I'm going to write the paragraphs. What does the paragraph start with? P. In this, I just have to press a P and press enter, and you'll get the on and off tags. Within the P, I'm going to write my paragraph. It is good to learn computer science. Okay, so that's my paragraph. Now, before the paragraph, we forgot to add something, and that is the heading tag. Now, heading tags could be H1 to H6, right? The biggest one, the most important one, should be the H1 tag. So if I just press H1 and press enter, the H1 tag appears. So in between both of them should be my H1 tag, which will be what is visible, which is computer science project. Okay, and then you have your paragraph, and that closes the body. Now in the paragraph, we want to give a line break, right? So what do? It is good to learn computer science. So learn with me. Now I want a break in between this and this, so I want it to be another paragraph. So I just press enter. Will it happen? No. I'll have to press the BR tag. So what? BR. We're going to open the live server, and we're going to see the page. So I'm going to right click, go to open live server. I'm going to see what it looks like. This is what it looks like, my web page. Computer science project. It is good to learn computer science, and that was the H1 tag. And this is the paragraph. It is good to learn computer science, so learn with me. And remember, it's come as 2 lines because I put a break in between. And this was the H1, therefore it's so bold and big. What do? We go right up to this body tag here and click just after the Y, and we're going to put BG color. That's background color is equal to. What color name shall we give it? Blue? Blue. I can't just put it as blue, you'll have to put it in inverted commas. So blue. And close the bracket. Now do you want to go and see what happens? Right click, go to open live server, and you see that the background color is changed to blue. Now we want to change the text color. We want to change the background color and the text color. Then what do? We put BG color is equal to blue, and don't finish it there. Click text is equal to, and in inverted commas, say yellow. Now let's see what happens. So the text color has changed to yellow, the background color has changed to blue. Now, attributes of the font tag. Font face attributes give you the type of font that is used. So, for the syntax, font face, where do we put it first? Just below the body, we will say font face attribute would be angle bracket, font face, and then the closing tag in between whatever, in between the two font tags, you need to put in your text. That was good, and that was what appears. If the font fit is not specified, the browser will display the default font, which is usually Calibri or Tahoma or Garamond or Verdana. Font size attribute. The font size usually varies from 1 to 7. By default, it is set at 3, and you can change the font size as per your requirement. Font size is equal to 6 in inverted commas, and then close the tag. So place whatever you want in between those two font tags. Where are you? See what comes? So that is the size that has come, okay? Font color attribute. Font color is equal to red. But that red should be in inverted commas. That was automatic for me. And I'm going to close the tag. And in between, I'm going to say whatever I want in red. Please write it. Okay, see, it's come up in red. Please write it. Okay, so I want me to be in bold. What do? I have to put the B tag. Small b. Close. So I'm going to put this me inside it. Now let's see what happens. Me has become bold. Now I'm going to underline something. So I'm going to underline computer. So what do? Put the U tag. U. And then the computer has to be chopped and put it between these two. Right. So now let's see. Computer becomes underlined. For italics, what do? Supposing I want to make good to learn into italics. So what do? Tag I. And in between the two, I have to write good to learn. What does it look like? Good to learn has become italics. And that's how we do an HTML document.